Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about the earthquake prediction. Here we have in the US Geographical Survey is a development an earthquake early warning system using a network of high quality ground motion sensor that the name is that Shake Alert and EEW being tested in California has been sending user notifications since 2012. Okay, so the next thing we will talk about the impact of natural disaster, the number and impact of natural disaster. Since 2010, there have been a total 2018 natural disaster happened, which translates to 336 disaster per year. On the other hand, we have 525 storms, 822 floods, and we were reported during the same period. Okay, it is estimated that 139 million people are affected by the natural disaster every year. On average, natural disaster cause is 72,205 fatalities annually. So the next we will talk about is the next thing is recent high impact disaster. So what is recent high impact disaster? These are on January 12th, 2010, 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and caused between 2,30,000 and 3,16,000 deaths were reported. It's a very big amount of deaths. Okay, so people were injured while 1.5 million were internally displaced from their homes. It's also a big number of people who were being displaced by earthquake from their homes. In Kuddi, Nepal, Kuddi is a city there. 7.8 magnitude earthquake led to 8,669 deaths and 17,866 injuries, and also 2,69,190 damaged homes. Okay, so there are still 384 people missing from that disaster. It's a very sad news for all their relatives. So that dead people and not has been yet recovered. Okay, on March 11, 2011, 9.0 magnitude earthquake hit Tokyo in Japan. The huge earthquake caused a 1,21,747 properties to collapse completely, and another 2,77,679 properties to collapse partially, and there are many people injured, like 15,893 people were injured there, and 6,152 people were died. So the next thing we will talk about is the technology assistance at disaster sites. In recent time, technology has been employed to fast track disaster relief efforts. For instance, drones and robots have been used to locate survivors and transmit information to emergency team to that the emergency team can respond properly to the effectors. Okay, they have been also used to drop humanitarian aid. Okay, so the several project was developed in response to Haiti earthquake. The technologies allow mobile to communicate. So we will talk about the other topic in the next video.